think it's trouble. Deep boy fresh with it on, know how I talk out. Bullshit is not important, what I'ma lock out. Don't play with the... Someone come on throw my heart, I think it's trouble.
Yes guys, we're in the hellcat Durango. You know the thing that I said, that's exactly how I'm gonna start the video. I'm gonna switch upside down. You know, if you put it on there, it charges. That's the way up the road. Oh my, I haven't driven this in a while, yo. Hope the camera is good though. We're bringing down the cars to American Muscle, man. You never left me. Take advantage of you? Don't worry, I will. We'll see. But me definitely I take advantage of you. I want that.
Give me the jump.
Alright, make you the jump. How far you want to jump?
Give me one car.
Go. I gave him the jump. But this thing just quick off the line. It does, well, it spun a little bit. I felt it spin a little bit. All four, but it's all four spinning, so it's still going away. Go, sir. Both of them have the same mods, which is that upper pulling. Bro! light boy, light.
That's why I said, imagine if you never give me the jump.
You would have fear.
I'm too boy want to beat this.
At 3.6 you do a while again? Oh man!
Lower than that.
Huh?
You go lower than
Me get 3.1 in there before. But the Aturas. hellcat, man. About the hellcat Durango. This shit takes off crazy, man. Crazy. Damn, goddamn. Damn. That's what I did today. I know before when he had the Aturas on it, did a 0 to 60 at 3.1. So yeah, this thing fast. Quick. Obviously it's not gonna have the top end like the Charger, but the get up and go, it's gonna have all-wheel drive. That's what all-wheel drive do. ZL1. Nice. Bombarda, what happened to that? Got a bunch of hellcat keys in this one. Which one is the right one? This one. Hey, buddy. Right there, sir? What is it? It's in park. For real? Bring that up to that.
I think that's the shit that was at Hayes, bro.
This?
Yeah. You see how one will look just like it. Unless they moved it. You know what's that hellcat Durango with that? Identical to the Mati.
One day inside?
Yeah, I think at 8 seconds.
8 seconds. Bomba, yo, the license plate, that's the I dare ya. God damn. Wait, what you dare me to do? Race? Okay, say less. Oh, I got a full tank of gas. Guys, we made it to American Muscle, man. Go get this lowered. So stay tuned to see what it looks like when it's gonna look exactly like mine's. So we're oh, hellcat Durango. I think that's the fast one that it says 8 seconds. Ooh, look at that ZL1 1LE. God damn, Whipple supercharger on them. That shit is beautiful. God damn, that shit is nice. Look like they got some fast cars out here, man. God damn, some fast cars out here. I wanna drive that. Trackhawk. Oh, it says bump car on the license plate. Sick. Same identical spec to this. Hello, kitty cat.